football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony, and today we're just going to do a quick mail video. I did get some stuff in the mail. I got a lot of my brake results in that I did with 718 brakes. Kevin, awesome guest we had yesterday on Ecom Beyond, the morning show I do with Nate. Every day I'm hustling. Every day, speaking of every day I'm hustling, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go live. We swap back and forth, my channel, Nate's channel, every single day. So this upcoming week, Nate has Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you come out and check out the morning show. It's awesome. I promise you guys will like it. But I have 3 packages here that I want to open. The first one is technically opened already because I wanted to see what it was because I wasn't sure of the name that was on it. So this is actually from a channel that I watch. The guy does a lot of stuff with sports cards and stuff. His channel is called Deafness 45. These 2 packs right here, vintage baseball 1991 packs, still sealed. These are extras. I didn't have to do anything to earn those, and bought some of these cards. He has a Tuesday night auction that he does every week. So I bought some of these. I got this really cool Cam Reddish. It's a Silver Crusade from Prism in his Duke uniform. A good friend of mine, Marty, is a huge Duke fan. So anytime I can get players in their Duke uniforms, I try to pick it up for him. $7. I got the Zion Williamson and Kobe White combo. So that was a really good deal. And he'll put a stack together for me whenever I buy from him. So I don't have to worry about paying like $4 to ship out like one card that's not worth it. Then he threw in some extras for me. He knows I'm a Cavalier fan, so he gave me 3 Darius Garlands. So Def, if you're watching this, I appreciate that, man. And then since I'm from Pittsburgh, he threw in some Pirates for me. We have a Josh Bell Donruss 20 this year. And then we have a Brian Reynolds rookie from Spectra. And that's really cool looking. So I definitely appreciate the cards, Deafness, and I'll definitely continue to buy from your auction. Next one, the guy who actually put me up on Deafness, who told me about his channel, is Paul Gate City Picker. Good friend of mine. Make sure you go and subscribe to him. His channel's right here. And let's get into the package that he sent me. You know, this one I don't even need the knife for. Okay, I lied. Yeah, I do need the knife. Oh, dang. I see black and yellow in here. Oh, dang. And there's cards inside of it? What? It's a little Steeler beanie. That's cool, dude. That's real cool. Did you make that? I don't know if that's going to fit my fat head, but I'm going to try it. No, it ain't going to fit my head, but I appreciate that, Paul. That's awesome, dude. That's real cool. I'll definitely display that somewhere. Definitely put that down here somewhere. Then, dang, look what we got here. Old school Steelers. I see a Cordell Stewart in there. Oh, yeah. I feel like a kid on Christmas with this. It's amazing. So Daryl Hogan, look at that. That's a 1954 Bowman he put on there. That is awesome, man. That's really cool. So these are definitely all going into my personal collection. Wow, check out this Cordell Stewart Topps Heritage. And that's numbered too. 130 out of 557. It's a weird numbered print run, but that's super cool. Dude. Big Ben Playoff Heroes. That's awesome. Troy Polamalu. Mason Rudolph. It's Nate's favorite player. Another for Nate. Another Mason Rudolph. Oh, this is the Mason Rudolph train. Dude, this is awesome. This one's pretty cool. Premium portrait. This is a nice Troy Polamalu. Heath. Talk about your all-time like blunders, man. What did this guy do to his career? He still did a lot. Oh, we got some Pirates in here too. Got Rivero, Polanco. Big fan of Polanco. Tuitt. Big fan of the D-line. Oh, we got some Cavs. Kyrie Irving. All right. Tyler Zeller. Andrew Bynum. A lot of people don't remember him being a Cav. Back to some Steelers. We got some Big Ben action going on. Ryan Shazier's rookie card. More Cavs. We got a Mark Price. Come on. A little more Andrew Bynum for you. Boom. Look at that Kyrie. That's awesome. Love me some Kyrie. Then we got a Big Ben score. That is amazing, man. Like, yeah, literally every single one of these cards you sent is going directly into my personal collection. So I definitely appreciate that, Paul. Always appreciated, and I'm gonna get something out to you as well, man. So be on the lookout. I'll send some of the cards of the teams you like, and you'll have to let me know what you think of them. Okay, and then this last package, this is from Kevin, 718 Breaks. This is just some results that I got from breaking with him this past week. So there is a lot of them, guys. I bought a ton from Kevin this past week. I lose track of them. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 different little packages I got here from Kevin. So let's see what we got here, guys. So this first one looks like I got me some Pistons. There we go. Open up the team bag. I got team bags like just collecting over here. So we have Jam Masters, Blake Griffin. Got Game, Blake Griffin. We have the Blue Reactive of Markieff Morris. We got another Got Game of Blake Griffin. And we got my boy, Sekou Demboya. I like Sekou. Okay. So this, I'm just going to throw over there. These are some inserts. I'm gonna start creating a few little piles for me so that I can get these sorted pretty easy later. Okay, so let's see what we got in this one now. You got a pink Rudy Gobert / Corona Man. And who better to be next to him but Donovan Mitchell, the guy he gave Corona to. And behind that is another Rudy Gobert. So that was like a Corona sandwich right there, guys. That's insane. All right, so that was the Jazz I got out of that one break. Let's see what I got here for Timberwolves. Okay, we've got a Jake Layman and an NBA debut of Jarrett Culver. So let's do it this way. I'll put some inserts there. I'll do some rookies, and then I'll do my color in one stack. It'll be easy for me to sort later. Kevin doesn't send base cards unless it's like superstars and you ask for them. So it's a little bit easier to, like, he cuts out most of the cards that aren't very valuable. So I got two rookies here with the Hornets, Cody Martin and PJ Washington, rookie debut. Got Nuggets here. Looks like I do have a silver of Mason Plumlee. Silver. And then I got the blue reactive of Gary Harris out of that one. Here comes the OKC Thunder. Out of that, literally got one card, Darius Bazley. So the Thunder is one of those teams that don't have a whole lot of players. in this set. Here's one I got of the Nuggets. Okay, so for the Nuggets, I got a green Jokic. That's a good card. And then I got a Will to Win Jokic as well. It's pretty cool as well. This one I'm going to put in a sleeve real quick. Yeah, I don't have any sleeves handy. Set that aside because that's a nice one. We have the Magic here, and it looks like I might have just one card in here. Yep, so we got the Magic, and the only card I got was this Vucevic got game. Okay, looks like I got the same thing with the Blazers this time. I got one insert of Damian Lillard. It's got game as well. So you can see sometimes you hit, sometimes you don't. So there's plenty of times I didn't hit very much at all. And I'm sure there's some teams I might not have gotten anything for. I don't know. But let's see. So we got a got game of Derrick Rose and another Sekou Demboya. I'm going to have like 800 Sekous, guys. If you're looking for a Sekou, I'm the man with the plan. All right, so here we go. Some more cards. This is Houston Rockets. And we got a Russell Westbrook Will to Win and a Russell Westbrook Give and Go. That's all I got for the Rockets out of that break. Next one. Looks like this is the Pacers. So we got an Aaron Holiday. We got a rookie of Goga. Messed up my stacks already. Yeah, I done messed up my stacks pretty good here, huh? Here we go. Goga. And then we have the blue reactive of Victor Oladipo, a.k.a., if you watch The Masked Singer, the Thingamajig. Got some Clippers right here. Looks like I got Terrence Mann's out the booty hole here. Okay, so we got the regular Terrence Mann rookie. We have a Landry Shamet pink and another regular Terrence Mann rookie. I had the Nets. I got one card of Kyrie Irving here. So I get to know what teams have a lot of cards in things when you get into them. Look at this one. I have several top-loaded cards with the Celtics. I love the green on green mosaics too. Like whenever the player plays for. Look at that. There's a Grant Williams rookie card color. Then we got Carson Edwards rookie. Mosaic of Pete Maravich without his Larry Lafferty stash. Regular Grant Williams rookie. Romeo Langford rookie. Tremont Waters rookie. Taco. It's Taco Tuesday. Taco Fall NBA debut. Right. Next one up, we got some Wizards. Let's see what we got out of that Wizards break, y'all. Okay. We got a Admiral Schofield orange reactive. We have a regular Admiral Schofield. We got a Rui and a Mosaic Rui as well. So Ruis are good. I really like Rui as well. Got some Timberwolves. See what we can find with them Timberwolves. See how good I did with them. Got Jarrett Culver. What? Got them Jarrett Culvers. What you know about that? Got a little Robert Covington action. Another base Jarrett Culver. Another Robert Covington. And then you got the man KD, old school. Or not KD, KG, Kevin Garnett. So that's a nice little Timberwolves break there for me. Got some more, who's this? Washington Wizards. Out of this one, we got Isaiah Thomas. Horrible trade when we got rid of Kyrie for the Cavs. Admiral Schofield, and we got a Davis Bertrands. And the last one is the Portland Trailblazers. So we got a Clyde Drexler, Hassan Whiteside green, Anthony Simons orange reactive. Got the Dame Lillard give and go. That's a pretty nice one. Got game CJ McCollum, and we got the Nasir Little base. So all in all, guys, we got some pretty good stuff. Again, you know, I got some cards that are going to bring back the money. Like this right here is just color, and I have like some of the better rookie ones pulled out of it. You know what I mean? This stack right here, this is nothing but rookies, and like I said, I have some of the other ones pulled out of it. This stack right here, oh dang, including the KG, which should be in with the color, it's all inserts. So as you can see, this is a good way to get a lot of cards fast. So if you guys are interested in doing this, I will link Kevin down below. His channel is 718 Breaks. He's definitely somebody that I would trust in the community as far as doing this, because you can never be too careful, because you don't really know who you're paying for cards and whatnot. So I will link Kevin down below. If you're interested in checking his channel out, or Deafness, I'm going to link his as well. If you're interested in checking them out, and Paul, all three of these guys are going to be linked down below. Make sure you check their channels out. I appreciate you watching. Smash that thumbs up, and until next time, take it easy.